This is a delicious Indian chicken curry recipe. We're going to grind garam masala powder from whole spices. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Toast until fragrant for about 2 minutes. When cool, grind into powder. This is 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 star anise, and 5 cloves. This is 1 chopped big onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic, two diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 chicken without skin. Add some water into the chili powder to form a paste. We start by frying the cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Add the onion. When the onion is soft, add the garlic. Continue frying until the onion turns brown. When the onion is brown, add the chili powder paste and fry for 1 minute. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder we made earlier and fry for another minute. Add the tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes are soft. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. We can now add the chicken. Fry for about 5 minutes until the chicken is no longer pink. We can now add 1 small cup of yogurt. add hot water to cover the chicken. Simmer until the chicken is tender. Finally, add more garam masala, salt and sugar to taste. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.